welcome to my vlog. Just bought it. Well, we're going to try this Artic Air Ultra. It's as seen on TV product. And she's looking for something to do the cool her little trailer in the summertime. So we'll be doing unboxing on this and see how it works. So it's got something to do with filling the top tank with regular water, and then as it's misting down, it's coming out as a cool mist. So find out kind of on the swamp cooler situation there. So we'll wait and see how this works. Built-in LED nightlight. It's a continuation of the little Artic Air. Dear, would you? The unboxing of the Artic Air.
I already unboxed it.
Sure, you unboxed it.
It's mine. I already took that crap apart.
So what do we got?
What we have is, well, hang on, I'll be back.
Pause. Now this doesn't use any antifreeze or anything.
It's Freon free.
Freon free.
It plugs into your outlet.
Okay.
You open this door up.
Okay.
And you find this filter in there.
Okay.
And this filter says take it out.
Okay.
Rinse it under cold water, and if you want it colder,
right,
put it in the freezer.
I see.
So I rinsed it and put it in the freezer, but of course it hasn't been frozen long enough.
Okay, so there's a little fan.
Yeah, there's nothing in there for real.
Okay, just a fan.
So it says on the internet you can put a frozen ice thing in here.
Okay. Oh, like an ice pack?
Yeah, but no, it can't. It lies.
Okay.
Because there ain't no way you're fitting an ice pack in there.
One of those flexible?
I don't know, maybe, but I don't see any way of fitting anything in there I've ever seen, because you only fill it up to here.
Or do you just fill that with water?
Well, you fill it with water, but it recommends distilled water, which I have in my office.
Okay.
And then after you put that in, you plug it in, and it supposedly just cools the air, pulls the warm from the back, and shoves the cold out the front.
It around through like a little swamp.
I have no idea, because
like a little swamp cooler.
We aren't doing anything with it yet, because I'm trying to.
All right, so that's the unboxing right now. So, did you plug this in and see the little fan?
No, I didn't do anything with it yet, as I just mentioned,
so
because I'm trying to freeze this.
Okay, so you got that wet and you put it in the freezer.
Well, yeah.
Okay, so that's where we're at. Continuation of the Artic Air, the as seen on TV. Where did she put that? We're in her camper right now, and it is freaking. There you go, the Artic, as seen on TV, the Artic Air Ultra. And just to give you an idea, I got my temperature checker. As you can see, we're talking 95 degrees. The metal's reading back kind of off and on here. Let's see if I get 96, 97 degrees on the aluminum. But plain wall is 97 degrees. Inside right there is 88 degrees. I'm going to shoot it straight into the Arctic. As you can see, 77 degrees. And that works like a swamp cooler, which means it's got air, it's got water in the top of it, and you can also put an ice pack on the inside. Oh, you can't put an ice pack in it?
No, because it won't fit.
Couldn't find one?
It won't fit.
Nope.
I'm going to freeze ice in a Ziploc and put
Okay. But like I said, yeah, you can. If you freeze this water here, which is 75 degrees, or 80, you're right here, 85 degrees, and what's coming out is 79 degrees. So if you can freeze that water, which right now again is 84 degrees, and it's coming out of it at 76, 77, and that's just plain water.
The only thing I thought was maybe behind this little sucker right here, I could slip an ice pack. I don't know.
Now you're gonna have airflow. So you don't.
Well, then that's it.
You don't really want to do that. But standing here, and again, if I hit the countertop, it's 88 degrees. You hit the back wall, we're 92 degrees.
You hit me, I'm probably 110.
The roof is 90 degrees. Your cabinets, 92. 88 for the Kenmore. Up front here, 88 on the wall. Again, 90 degrees on the cabinets. And the ceiling's 91. And of course, we got the outside. Outside, the carpet is... the carpet is 130 degrees right now.
I bet.
So, there you go.
It's so hot that, look.
You make the judgment call, but if you're sitting here and it's blowing on you, 79 degrees coming out of it.
Leave it to me, Mitch.
So.
My hair is wet.
Uh-huh.
That's how hot it is. My hair is wet.
And it's blowing. That's why it's so. So for 30, what do we pay for it? 35?
39.
39, 40 bucks. It's up to you.
Although I did
What you
see it
might
on
pay.
Amazon for $29.99.
Okay. And that was Walmart. Walmart price was for the $39.90, but she says you can get it cheaper on
Actually, it's not Amazon. I believe it's Big Lots.
Big Lots. At Big Lots?
I think so.
We saw it at Big Lots for cheaper?
I think Big Lots was $29.99.
Okay.
You had to order it off their website, and I don't know if their shipping and shit like that included.
That's
You know.
probably why. Oh, 75. So I'm standing here. It feels pretty good.
It says it runs up to 10 hours per fill.
Really?
I don't know. We'll see though when I when I freeze some ice. I tried to chip the ice off from my freezer and put it in the top. And I can't chip my ice.
Well, 79 degrees, which means it's freaking almost 15 degrees cooler.
The only thing
So
about
you
my
can
little
feel the
slice
difference.
of heaven right here is it's aluminum.
So
The
it's
only
the door.
problem.
The door is shut, and that's all. All the heat that's coming in here is that. I'm kind of impressed, especially if you're going to put it at your desk. If you work,
Oh yeah.
If you work at a desk, you can put it right at your desk, and moved it to another location, plugged it in. There are 3 speeds.
And there's also a
Little
night
blues?
light, dude.
There's a night light. Where's the night light?
I don't know. It's back there. Next to the speed control.
I see the light. I don't see light.
It glows in the back.
Again. Oh, it glows in the back?
Yeah, I guess so.
There's your speeds. It's 1, and it's off, and it starts up high. You see the vapors coming off of that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next. I just bought it. Flat piece of ice. Alright, dude. Don't get carried away.
Will fit?
How wide the tray is. It went. See what that changes the time to. 75. I'll give it a couple seconds there for the water to suck up the. Still 75. 26.
Could you aim it to me a little bit
Isn't
since
it?
I'm over here melting?
Isn't it?
It doesn't get here cold.
No.
Uh-uh.
Dropping a little bit. The ice. Put the ice in there. And it's cooled it down a little bit. We're still at about 70. 76 is about as cold as I can see it. Yeah. 76. Now the filter in there you put in the freezer as well. Chill it down. So, and again, it's about 90 degrees in the trailer. So we got about a 20 degree difference. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next. Just bought it.